baked pumpkin dessert. Easy and delicious recipe. Hello! Today we'll be making a delightful baked pumpkin dessert. This winter favorite is simple to prepare and full of flavor, perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. Let's get started. Ingredients: kilogram of pumpkin, 2 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of water cinnamon, stick in oven bag for serving, tahini and walnuts optional alternatives, hazelnuts, clotted cream, or cinnamon-flavored whipped cream instructions. First, peel the pumpkin. Remove the seeds and cut it into large slices. Make sure not to cut them too small to prevent them from falling apart while baking. Carefully place the pumpkin slices into the oven bag. Sprinkle 2 cups of sugar over the pumpkin. You can adjust the sugar amount according to your taste. Add half a cup of water to help the sugar caramelize and the pumpkin soften nicely. Place the cinnamon stick inside the bag to add a warm, aromatic flavor to the dessert. Seal the oven bag tightly and poke a few small holes to prevent it from bursting during baking. Now, it's time to bake. 7. Place the bag in a preheated oven at 200 degrees, 390 degrees, and bake for 45-50 minutes. Baking time may vary depending on the thickness of your pumpkin slices. When the pumpkin turns tender and translucent, it's ready to serve. Pro tip: for deeper flavor, let the pumpkin and sugar sit together overnight. This allows the sugar to soak into the pumpkin, creating a richer taste. Serving suggestions: after allowing the dessert to cool slightly, cut the pumpkin into pieces. Drizzle generously with tahini and sprinkle with walnuts for a classic presentation. Alternatively, serve with clotted cream or whipped cream for a lighter, creamier touch. Swap walnuts for hazelnuts, almonds, or pistachios to add a nutty twist. Pair it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a refreshing combination. And there you have it, a delicious baked pumpkin dessert. Perfect with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Enjoy your treat and see you in the next recipe.